Releasing dopamine.
Hello girl, good morning. Happy Monday. Wagwan. It's been a while since we do some one-on-one like this, right? Yeah man, hope you guys been having a great new year so far. Yeah. Well anyway, vlog girl, me there. Me there in the lab. Maybe enough I won't know say me's a producer. They work on a track. You know what I mean? A special track. You know what I mean? Yeah, one step closer every time. Little by little, sorry for the flash of the sun like that. Well, we're supposed to go up on the road to the vlog world. Wash me dirty head. And then me go do a shoot with NCDA because I don't know say what the ambassador. And I got some questions in the street. Me, Kade and Sing J and my road manager them and Nick. You know what I mean? Cameraman and things supposed to touch the road. So make we see how today go on and thing. So me there I work on that track and things. So yeah. I have some things to Japa Road vlog world. I mean no if I want to probably I wonder what go on for the entertainment part. Things kinda slow down now because you don't know the year just start. But me I work on some things. You know, I work on some things like hard wine. Actually, I work out a thing with that. I don't know. Carnival soon come up and things. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. There I eat some egg and plantain and sausage and breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Yeah, them things there. So, yeah, there I'm going to go and done work on that track here. Black girl and ready to touch the road and just go on journey with the boy. You see it? Big up on yourself and thanks for all of the support as always. You see it? Aye.
So you colored it? So why you talk to me then? Huh?
So because I compliment the brown lady beside it.
You don't know say it's a racer, right? No, sir.
You see me around a circle of stadium?
You bet on drum.
What you say? Yo man, you make them flag my video.
No,
No call my name. No call my name in my video though.
Oh.
That name there, that name there.
No, true.
No, yo, me say yo not further on in the news. Never delete that part of that video. I don't like that video. Can you come stress me out? Yo, me a fly out soon, you know. Don't bother call your name in my video. Yes. Where you say? After me thing never up. You're rude. At 25 years, me have my special. I'm so special.
I'm so special. You get 30 years first year.
My special.
30 years.
Special. You want to say hello?
You know like with the black.
Me go
So why not talk to me then?
You hear that come out of my mouth?
You're so Donald Trump. You're so Donald.
Donald's only the Russian.
Black girl want to meet my new girlfriend.
Where?
But if she ever run away and pull off that thing there. Remember me tell you no. See how this? She look nice and tight. Tip ties. I like it.
You know what? No.
Let me see something.
She can't be with a new girlfriend. You go, Lorraine.
She tickle like how me like it.
She got to go.
If you ever feel you want left me, pew. Yeah?
Lorraine's a new girlfriend.
I joke, me now, in crimes against female, yeah. As a matter of fact, we talk about it from now, vlog world. Hold on. So vlog world, me see this thing I go around with the man them from the other day. The man them a kill off the woman them. Now, I want to talk to you about that thing. When if you tap that something there. If the relationship not work, tough it out. Me, you know what I mean? Make the woman, if the woman want go, make she go on. You know what I say, but no. But ball, nothing wrong. Me get born already. Woman, our next man breed it, pretty much. And she called me, and she gave me ball. And she called and tell me, true story. You know what I mean? True story. And the woman them know, if you don't give man them bone, just tell them say now work and go and buy a business. Because you go just make the man head cheap and he might go pew pew. And a problem is that you man to stop that thing there. Stop kill off a woman them, you know what I mean? Because of somebody else. If it no work out, it just clearly means he's a next man wife. If it don't work out, it's a next man wife. And I just real talk me and tell you, if it never work out, it's a next man wife. So keep it moving. Keep it moving, man, and you can't kill off two woman them. And on the soldier man, stop kill off two man them. And on the police, stop kill off. No, man, you rude. What's he talking about? Talk to the things. When you have vloggers, some new girlfriend, you ever feel like, yeah? Yes, I smile. Yeah, jamiacan no pew pew.
Lorenzo, you gotta hold your head now, please.
I can.
Yeah.
Karen, what do you think about that? What the guys are doing? The man them are doing.
Cute smile. No comment.
Girl, hold on, I'm gonna say something. Where's She's shy. Be your teeth, could it? Oh, girl, I'm a new girl. New girlfriend, she's sexy, I bet. Your girlfriend, Marga. Okay. She tickle chat. Enough me this year chat. You can't manage. You have to fit for running. You pull up. Yo, Jackie, you're so nice. What? What's it? You know normal, you know what you higher grade, heavy tea. Watch it. No, sir. You know what? Black women kind of afraid. I'm afraid of her. She too. No, I can't manage. No, I'm trying. No, I can't manage. I won't leave her. You have to transit. My back hurt me.
Look at this dude.
I can't about talk shit. I won't leave that. Stand a normal still love like you have a chunk. You have to, no, sir. You have to help me here. One vlog world walk one. So it's another day. We definitely had to do the shoot today. So I'm on my way now. For go to Burger King half a tree. For meet up with the crew and my road manager and everybody. And I could just kick off the day. Place hot. Yeah, I don't know why I wear a jacket, but I just feel like I wear a jacket. Yes, right. But anyway, I'll touch the road. Start the mission here and go and build a vibe. So go and journey with your boy. You see? Hey. Oh, it's a work now. Walk one vlog world. I'm here. Well, alright. I know I was supposed to show you the shooting, but I did well focused. I forget to take out the vlog camera, but right now vlog world I'm there. With my peeps, then you see it. See them, Sing J and Jordan. You see it? Yeah, man. Year 2020, you see it? I'll be a 20. Almost look like you want to speak. Twing!
20 million.
Is it? Yeah man, so look out for all heap of new things that drop a road still. Let them know, you know.
Tell them I want lyrics were tall.
You know, so they had step by there and the cube.
Fresher than the whole of them.
Well,
The money baby come.
yeah. Enough things are go on, you see it, Black World. So we're there. Right now with us, they're up on my knee school. I watch her kickball like when the kid clearly see. You know what I mean? And she stop. And when them not know, you know, when them scream out her name, she just stop and look at like she say, how I do know? With the bag of extra. Like, look at this dude. You know, come extra. You see it, Black Girl. But we're there. We're there, Billa vibes. Still. Sorry, I never get fulfilled nothing. Guys, I was really focused on just the shoot and just being my part and just getting content and with everybody and thing, but we're there. Nothing not too go on yet, as me telling you, it's kind of still young. young in the year still, you know what I mean? So just go and stay put, you see it, and just go and watch the thing. As a matter of fact, as I tell you, hard wine will come up, so you can watch the ad right now. Hard wine ad endorsed by Sinus Gaming, you see it. Whoop!
People jumping up in the van. All kind of different things they have in their hand. They jumping up and down, they don't give a damn. Carrying on like them is some hooligan. We gon' mash up with the law.
I just want to become something, anything. From them me to grab something, anything. I just want to become something, anything. Watch how I go grab something, anything. From tell me to run with it, run with it, run with it. Become something. Starting with me, family. With me, family. We jumping with we, family. We fronting with we, family.
Alright vloggers, so just come home and think. We just done stream. Just done stream. And my boat figure don't get ready. Cause I couldn't go both cities with me. I'll get some footage and some content for y'all people. Yeah, so I can just vibe with the boy and thing is it. Yeah. So both Tuesday it is. Vibes time. You see it? So I go to school off a little bit, eat some food, vlog roll, and then in a journey with the boy when we are left out and thing. You see it? With me, Kid and my road manager. Our link up rest of the peeps them down there. You see it? So just go and journey the boy.
Money food, sister them a money food, sister them a money. Sister them a money. Alright.